In this video, I will detail how to turn the back of your iPhone into a button. So if you have an iPhone, you can just tap the back like this and make the back active. You see that? So here, I'm going to show you how you can easily do this on iPhone on iOS 18. So if I done on this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to turn the back of your iPhone into a button, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and click on accessibility. Then under accessibility, you just need to scroll down, then select touch. Once you click on that, scroll down all the way down, then locate back tap, click on that. Make sure you select either double tap or triple tap. Then under back tap, if you choose to back tap your iPhone twice, this is going to take a screenshot. You can just choose any option here. If you choose touch, or you choose lock screen or rotate screen, this is going to enable this function whenever you back tap your iPhone. At the same time, if you choose triple tap, then choose whatever you want the triple tap at the back of your iPhone to do here. So let's say you want to turn on touch, just like this. Then hit the back button. Then you can now go back to your iPhone. Whenever you double tap the back just like this, you see that? That is triple tap. Then if you triple tap again, so that is triple tap again, is off. If you double tap your iPhone back, this is going to lock your iPhone screen. And if you triple tap, this is going to turn on touch. So double tap, you see that? And then double tap again, you see that? Then that is how you can easily turn your iPhone back into a button. So if this is helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.